Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me VIVO T1 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So there are only several ways why your device is starting to slow down. First reason is because you have no enough space on your device, so free space. So open settings, scroll down, find here about phone, and here you have phone storage, and as you can see I have 128 gigabytes of the phone storage. And if you wanna check your storage, you need to find RAM and storage space, and here you will see how much space you have used and how much free space do you have. For example, if you will fill up your storage over the 70% point, it's here is the 70% point. When you will fill up it, your device will start to slowing down. So never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. Then find the RAM. RAM is the second aspect that can slow down your device, so I suggest you enable extended RAM. In this way, you can extend your 6 GB of RAM to 8 GB of RAM. This was the second aspect that can slow down your device, and and the last aspect that can slow down your device is the trash files. So open iManager, click I have agree, I have read, agree, allow, wait a while, and click optimize. Great, then click space clean, agree, then click clean up all, and great. In this way you will remove trash files from your device. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.